Hi guys, I'm Seth Dungca, teacher slash actor slash model slash millennial slash weeb, but basically just me. And I'm here to review an item from McJim Classic Leather. Alright, just looking at the box itself, it's huge and I'm really excited to see what's inside. But I want to talk about the color first. Look at that beautiful shade of orange. But on the other side of the box, I don't know, I just really like the box. It's cute and sleek. Look at that, it's white, and then with an orange print. I don't know. Anyway, let's get to opening it. Alright. Look at this. The reason I'm very psyched right now, like honestly, aside from the fact that it's very heavy and the smell and its feel screams authentic leather, but it's very nice. Like, just the look of it is nice. It's not too simple and it's not too complex. It screams professional, and that's very important for people like me. For example, since I'm a teacher, and then sometimes you have to come to school not in your uniform, and then you have to dress up really nicely and you have to look presentable. Now let's go over to the features of the bag. This is the first thing I noticed. This part is important for me because I commute a lot. And you know what happens when you commute? It's either you have a lot of coins or you're always looking for one in your bag. But this zipper, look at that, it's easy to open and then it's very deep inside actually. If you look at it, and look at that, oh! The logo is inside too, it's embroidered. I don't know if you could see it if I try to make it go closer, but it's actually there. That's nice, it makes it look more chic. And if you're not the type to just put things here outside since safety reasons, they got that covered too. Flipping it over to the other side, you can see there's a zipper here as well. So me, if personally, I would probably put my wallet and my IDs here. Because if I were wearing it, it would be right here. I could feel it. I could feel that my wallet or my cell phone is here whenever I am. Now, are you ready to open it? Oh, before that, wait, I just noticed. Look at the straps on this bag. It's cool. I don't know, it's really nice. And, I mean, secure. It's not something that would just strap, because I have a problem with my old school bags. They would just strap like that, but at least this is very nice. You can see that it was sewn there, and then it's metal, so it won't just break. That's good, actually. Oh, and this part, for those of you who aren't sure what this is for, neither am I. But it's cute, it's nice. Oh, it has the logo here too. Look at that. Nice, right? Anyway, enough of that, let's open the bag. The other side. Oh, before that, look, cute. I like how the logo is basically everywhere and it's not just like a print. It's like imprinted on it, which makes it cool. So opening it, it's, oh, wow, that's cute. This is the logo I was talking about earlier. It's actually inside all of the inner linings of the bag. I guess that's what you call it. Everything inside the bag has the logo on it, and that makes it fun. And, ooh, it's actually a really nice feel. It's very smooth. It's something akin to, I don't know. Once you open the bag, it's also sealed with a zipper. And honestly, for someone who used to commute all the way to Ortigas, and I come from Quezon Ave, so after that, I have to get down and take 2 more jeeps. Things like these are useful, because I have to say it, I'm prone to losing things because I tend to forget. I tend to leave them behind, or sometimes I sleep in the FX and I'm not aware that my bag was just open, and honestly, I lost a wallet then. So things like this would help me out. So I need to open the zipper and then reveal that, look, yeah, the logo is inside all of it. It's nice. So there. Now further looking into this bag, you can see there are 2 pouches, I guess. There are 2 things here that kind of pop up. And honestly, you may think it's something small or unimportant, but that's probably where I would put things that I would usually lose that fall to the bottom of the bag, and you'd have to scoop under all of your things, scoop under all of your files. Alright, furthermore, there is another zipper here. There. There's another zipper inside the bag. Now, if you're thinking, hey, so what's that for now? This thing is where you would put important documents like that you would not want to get folded or crumpled, because aside from it being a pocket, it isn't just cloth. There's support here. So it would really protect it if you just put it there and then close it. it would protect it from everything else inside your bag. So it's very nice. I like it, and the size itself would fit my laptop. So I could put it there, and then furthermore, I could probably fit a folder here because inside there's a divider, if you can see it. So it keeps your things organized, it keeps your things balanced. And then, if ever it's raining or something like that, it's closed, you're protected, you just hold it close to you because you know it's a very nice bag. It's very precious. And I really, really like it. Look at that. Wait, let's see what I look like having it on. So, I'm off to work. I have all my things ready because my bag is built for it. I have my coins for commute. My wallet and cell phone are hidden right here. Everything else fits inside. Overall, I really, really love this bag. And I'm really happy that I got to share it with all of you. So yeah, that's basically it. We're done reviewing the bag and it's great. It fulfills my anime dreams and also my professional looking self that I really need to keep up. So thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for listening to me ramble on. Thank you for having fun with me. And I'll see you next time. Bye. This was Seth Dungca.